If you are looking for a job, it's very important that you know how to find jobs online. In this link, you can prepare yourself to land a job in hospitality at www.magnifyingclass.com. Here, we give you some practice job search tips. First, please make sure you subscribe to Magnifying Class channel by clicking on the red button below. First step, know the best jobs search websites. The first step when you want to know how to find jobs online is to know where to look for it. Isn't that right? We have selected some great search websites for you. When we are talking about hotel jobs, such as receptionist jobs, housekeeping jobs, or server positions in the hotel restaurant, a good option is to search for these jobs in a hotel chain's website, like Hyatt Careers or IHCL. You can apply directly to the company's website, which can help you find a job faster than if you apply to a general job search site. There are also websites that focus on hospitality jobs in different hotels worldwide. Two good examples are Hotel Career and H Career. All you have to do is search by keyword and location. Still, general job websites have the advantage to compile a large variety of hotel jobs worldwide. Among the top job search sites, we recommend Indeed and Glassdoor. Indeed is now the largest job website in the world, and it's 100% free for job seekers to find a job quickly. Glassdoor, however, offers detailed reviews by employees and interviewee experiences. Number 2, before we go any further, smash that like button. This is the only way YouTube understands that our content is relevant, and it helps us to show our videos to a wider audience and to you. Explore social medias. LinkedIn is the largest social media for job seekers today. It allows you to connect with recruiters, and it's free to create a profile and browse opportunities. It is very important to know how to use LinkedIn to find a job. Stay tuned to get more tips on how to make the best use of this platform when job hunting. Although Facebook is no longer in its golden days, it's still valuable for job seekers, especially those who seek a part-time job or flexible jobs. When it comes to hospitality jobs, browse groups such as Hotel Jobs Worldwide and find tons of opportunities advertised every day. It can be a quick way to find a job online. Of course, a typical Google search cannot be off our list of how to find jobs online. It's super easy to type keywords in and let the top search tool find the best jobs available and direct you to other websites. Number 3, have your profile resume up to date. Your LinkedIn profile works as a digital resume and portfolio and gets sent to recruiters once you've applied for a position. So it's important to invest time and effort to make sure it's detailed, accurate, and optimized. Once you've filled out your LinkedIn profile, you can use it to apply to open positions and send connection requests. The same works for the traditional resume. It needs to be updated and attractive once an opportunity comes up. You don't want to miss any opportunities because you didn't address this earlier, right? Number 4, before I tell you this last tip, if you have a friend or know someone who needs to know how to find a job online, share this video with them. I'm sure that they'll appreciate it. Be proactive. How to find a job fast without being proactive. It's almost impossible. Don't wait for a job to come to you. Don't be shy. Talk to people. Let people on your social media platform know that you are looking for good job opportunities. Use the hashtag #OpenToWork on your LinkedIn profile picture. There will probably be someone that knows someone that can get you a recommendation. Recommendations are another key factor to land a job. Search for companies I've mentioned on all websites and social media platforms. Then, email them your resume. Remember, it's equally important to follow up after submitting your resume and/or application. Imagine being invited to a job interview, but you missed that email. So please be attentive. Magnifying Class prepares you to land the job you want. You can learn about how to get a job without previous experience here, www.magnifyingclass.com. Magnifying Class can prepare you for a hotel housekeeping job, hotel front desk job, waiter job, waitress job, hotel manager job, among others. Follow us if you want to know more about how to make money working in hospitality.